But you have a right to do so. But if they would cause some breach of peace, if they could cause some breach of peace, we can temporarily shelf the idea. They are good because those people did not have umbrellas. Those traders did not have those big umbrellas to put their wares under. And they did a good thing. And I want the traders there not to see the umbrellas as a sign of incitement. Just use the umbrellas. Don't even look at the portrait that is there. He's a handsome man, but forget about it. Am I right, Miss Bundi and Miss Moeche? This man is, and he's smart. So if it were to cause any breach of peace, we could suspect that for the time being, or just provide umbrellas that do not have logos and portraits. That's one thing we need to do. Then when it comes to the collection of revenue, let's allow the officers from each side stick to their lanes, because there is also accountability. If we allow anybody to collect revenue from anywhere, the problem the two governors are going to face is that money may not even reach you. And I want to believe that before this matter came before me, the people who were collecting revenue were not genuine, and they were not remitting this revenue to you people. So that's the confusion we can have. And then, because people will say, okay, we collected from only this side, so this is what we are remitting, a portion of it. The other problem is this. Some people will say, we paid to the other county, so we are not paying again. And those people have not paid. They have not paid, but they want to pretend that they are paid to the officers from the other county. So I don't intend even to punish anybody for contempt. I would want to apply grace and forgive those people who have defied the orders. And the other thing I want to tell you, how many traders are here from Keroka? How many traders are in court? Okay. How many revenue collectors are in court? You see, yes, you are one of the revenue collectors. Your name is? Bonuke Chas. From which county? From Kisi. You are the revenue officer. Can you just come forward and tell us what has been happening? And tell us whether you have really been getting the money that is being collected from the ground.